Peace be upon you, and the mercy and blessings of God. In this video, I will talk to you about how to remove the decimal from the duration. You created the baseline, and after creating the baseline, for some reason, you changed the calendar or modified something, so fractions or decimal points appeared in the duration, as we will see. Here we have a simple baseline consisting of 2 activities, and you will notice that the duration here is 5.65, not a whole number 5. Of course, if you have 1 or 2 activities, it's very easy to edit them in Primavera, but if you have a large group of activities, it will take some time. That's why if you go to the Home tab in the Tool area under Additional Features, you will find Remove Duration Decimal. And the goal of Remove Duration Decimal is to solve this problem for you. So quite simply, you go to Primavera, perform a file export, and export your project in XER format. All right, after you've exported the project, you come to the tool. You select the location where your project is, like this. And you will notice the tool gives you 3 options for rounding. How do you want to round this 5.65? I mean, you have 4.8. How do you want to round them? Round, which means if it's less than 5, for example, if it's 8.4, it will make it 8. If it's more than 5, for example, if it's 8.6, it will make it 9. Round down will round down, and round up will round up, and it is preferable that you keep it as round. After that, you do Remove Decimal Finish, and the tool will bring you the things that changed here. Also, if you still have problems with the calendar or other issues, which this won't solve, it will create a sheet below. So, always check the sheets that appear, as they will tell you the problems present in the table, which you will have to fix manually, and you might also need to run the tool again. I mean, problems like what? For example, you have a day where you made an exception, like your calendar is set to 10 hours, but you made one day 9 hours. This will cause problems in the schedule. You must standardize your calendar and make it 10 hours. You might say, but engineer, what about during Ramadan, for example, when we have a 6-hour workday? You have to close it, make the 2-hour break if you are forced to do it. Unfortunately, you have to do it in the middle of the day. Otherwise, it is very likely that the same problem will happen again. That's on us. Of course, after you finish, the tool will leave the old XCR file as it is and create a new file for you. Okay, the old file was named test. The new file created a new file for you named test no decimals. This is what you will work on, and this is your original file. So you will work on the no decimal one and select update existing here, meaning you won't create a new one. You will select update existing and choose your project. It is by default, meaning you will usually find it selected, but if it isn't selected, choose Update Existing, select your project, click Next, then Finish, and you will find that your duration has been adjusted like this. Okay, and to adjust the dates, just run the schedule, and you will notice the dates have been adjusted for you.